Hi, this is Zach from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some single stocks on Tuesday the 26th of July. Starting off with Morrisons supermarkets, and here it looks as though we've got a decent continuation pattern here from the recovery we've seen post-December. An end-of-day close above this March resistance line, and the 50-day moving average at £1.85 should be enough to take the shares back up towards 210 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks, or the following 4 to 6 weeks after any break above that line. Stop loss currently back below the 200-day moving average and the December support line at £1.77. Next is the next stock, and here we can see that the reversal since that massive bear trap seen in the wake of the referendum vote continues. All we need now really to reverse this, or to give the a proper reversal signal here, is an end of day close above the 50-day moving average of 51.80. That's also the area of this February resistance line, but aggressive traders would already be going long and targeting back towards the £55 area, which was former June resistance. Stop loss at this stage back below the initial July support, which is 48.55. On to the next stock, which is Royal Dutch Shell, and here a bit disappointing that we've cooled off after what looked like a great mid-move consolidation. It might still work as a platform for a new leg to the upside, but probably one would have to wait for an end-of-day close back above the 10-day moving average at 21.21, ahead of a possible top of November price channel target at 23.50. Otherwise, the risk is probably back towards £20, but at this stage not regarded as the downside, not regarded as being much more than that. Next up is Shawbrook, where we're just knocking on the door here of this June resistance line at £1.80. End of day close above that could take the shares back up to the former June support at £2.17 and towards the 50-day moving average at £2.25. Stop loss an end of day close back below the 20-day moving average at £1.61. Next up, St James's Place, which has been an incredible reversal here after that post-EU referendum decline. Much higher low for July to date, £7.34 at the moment. The action is actually at and above the 50-day moving average, £8.54, which is also the floor of this June rising trend channel. While there's no end-of-day close back up below that, the target here is high as £10 over the next 4 to 6 weeks. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for an end-of-day close above the 200-day moving average at 902 pence. Finishing off with William Hill, which was in the news to start the week. It's just peaked out at the top of this rising May trend channel. The high there, £3.53. And while there's no end-of-day close back above the 200-day moving average at £3.38, we have a chance of filling the gap down to rather 314 pence. But aggressive traders could use that as a potential place to go long of the stock, looking for a retest of £3.50 plus. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.